Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick review on RoyalQ, which is a software that uses robots to trade cryptocurrency on your behalf. So all you have to do is just choose the pair of currency you want to trade and the robot is going to trade this cryptocurrency for you. So at the end of the day, you'll be able to see the real-time profit or loss based on the pair you are trading or based on the crypto market. All right, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how the platform works, because there's been so many controversy whether or not the platform is actually scam or not. All right, but before we get started, let me quickly dish out a disclaimer. So I'm not a crypto expert. All opinion shared on my channel is just for informational purpose. Okay, so if you want to do your own investment, I suggest you do extra research before you actually invest in this platform. All right, so that being said, let's proceed. All right, so like I said, the website uses robots to trade on your behalf. So that is actually one of the first way you can make money with the platform. The platform allows you to make money in two ways. So the first way is using the robot to trade, while the second way to make money on the platform is through their referral system. So whenever you refer someone to the platform, you're going to get a commission for that. All right, so for the robot aspect, what I can actually say about this is that there's been so many robot trading that has been around for a very long time. So using robots to trade is actually not scam, because robot trading has been around for a very long time. And for this, I can actually show you that you have control over how the robot trade your crypto. So there is nothing like robots withdrawing your money or the robot scamming you or whatsoever. So for you to be able to use the robot to trade, you need to link the RoyalQ robot with your Binance account. So once you've integrated it with your Binance account, then the robot will be able to trade any cryptocurrency you choose on your behalf. So I think even using the RoyalQ robot is actually cheaper compared to other popular robots out there, because the amount they are charging for the robot activation is just $120. So the actual fee is $100, while the $20 is for the robot fuel. That is the charges for every trade the robot is going to be doing on your behalf. So as you can see now, for you to link the RoyalQ robot with Binance, you need to link it via API. So you need to copy your API keys in your Binance setting, then go over to the RoyalQ, then go over to the RoyalQ app and add your Binance API key for it to start trading on your behalf. So as you can see from here, the only option you're going to be ticking is enable reading and enable spot and margin trading. So as you can see, this is not ticked, this is not ticked, this is not ticked, this is not ticked. So the only thing the robot can actually do for you is just to trade for you. And what the robot uses to trade is USDT. So the only amount the robot is going to trade with is the funds you have in your USDT wallet. So whichever amount you leave in the wallet is what the robot is going to use to trade for you automatically. So this is basically how the trading works with RoyalQ. So there's nothing like scam with the bot trading. I myself have activated it and I've seen some quite profit. The profit is actually not, because I actually started trading with just $10 just to test out the robot to see if it's actually working or not, and I've been able to make few cents. So with this, I can actually say the robot trading is actually legit, it's not scam. So the other method at which I talked about is through the referral system. So whenever you refer someone to the platform, I think they pay out around 30% commission. So for whoever you refer to the platform, they are going to give you a commission based of $30. So if you share your link with your friends and family, that is basically the amount of money you're going to get. So this is basically how you can make money with the platform. All right, so if you feel you cannot refer people, you can actually use the robot trading to keep trading with your cryptocurrency, and start making money with that alone. And if you feel you can actually refer people, that is going to be an additional bonus to what you can actually make with the platform. All right, so for you to be able to use this, if you don't have a Binance account, you need to set one up. Okay, you need to set up a Binance account, then verify the Binance account before you can actually start making money with the RoyalQ. So once your Binance account is set up, you want to integrate the account. So you just need to come over here, then come to API management option here, then click on it, then create one, and then create a new API for the RoyalQ bot. So you can name it the RoyalQ robot or whatever it is you want to name it. So once you name it, you'll be able to generate your API key. So copy the key and use it to activate your RoyalQ app. All right, so this is basically how the platform works. All right, so if you're interested, if you think this is something you can do for yourself, I myself have tested it and I feel the trading actually works. So if you feel you are interested, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video, so you can just go there to create an account, download the app, and start trading with them and see how it actually goes. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.